Smart Diagnosis feature. Smart Diagnosis cannot be activated if the water does not power up. If this happens, then troubleshooting must be done without Smart Diagnosis. If you experience problems with your washer, call to Customer Information Center and follow the call center agent's instructions and do the following steps when requested. Press the power button to turn on the washer. Do not press any other buttons or turn the cycle selector knob. When instructed to do so by the call center, place the mouthpiece of your phone very close to the power button. Press and hold the temp button for 3 seconds while holding the phone mouthpiece to the icon or power button. Keep the phone in place until the tone transmission has finished. This takes about 17 seconds and the display will count down the time. For best results, do not move the phone while the tones are being transmitted. If the call center agent is not able to get an accurate recording of the data, you may be asked to try again. Pressing the power button during the transmission will shut off the Smart Diagnosis. Once the countdown is over and the tones have stopped, resume your conversation with the call center agent, who will then be able to assist you using the information transmitted for analysis at the call to Customer Information Center.